Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing your data usage on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Network and Internet from the left sidebar. In Network Settings, select Data Usage from the top right. Here you can view detailed data usage information for your network. You can filter between different times, such as the last 30 days or 24 hours. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.